So yan yung connection natin guys, no, ng series parallel connection. So lahat ng to guys, for speaker at tweeter ay magiging Hi guys. So for today's video, no, ito na yung part to ng ating project na column speaker box. So yan guys, makikita nyo, no, sa likuran ko, ready na yung speaker at box natin. So for today's video guys, i-wiring natin to at pagkatapos isa sound check na natin para mapakinggan na natin yung tunog nito guys. So hindi na natin to patatagalin guys, magwa-wiring na tayo. So tara, let's go! So yan guys, ready na yung speaker natin, no, for wiring. So yung connection pala natin guys ay series parallel. So yung unahin natin ay series. So itong dalawang 8 ohms guys ay isi-series natin. So yung una, yung positive at negative natin ay i-jumper natin guys. At yung sunod, yung positive at negative guys, kukunin natin, papunta na yun sa ating speak on. So tara guys, wiring muna tayo. So ito yung positive side guys, no? So ihihinang natin dito guys. At yung sa kabila naman guys ay yung negative side guys. So yung sa isa naman guys ay sa negative side din. Ito na yung papunta ng speak on guys. So sa positive to guys, no? So yan guys. So yung dalawang wire dito guys na negative at positive papuntang speak on. So yung connection natin guys, same ng dito guys, no? So yung positive at negative dito guys ay i-jumper natin, at saka yung negative at positive ipaparallel natin dito para magiging 8 ohms pa rin. So yung kalabasan nito guys ay magiging 16 ohms, same nito. So ipaparallel natin to yung dalawa at dalawa dito guys para magiging 8 ohms. So yun yung connection natin guys na series parallel. So papakita ko guys, tapusin ko muna tong i-wiring, titestiran natin guys. Positive guys ng speaker i-wiring natin. At yung dulo naman guys ay sa negative side. Ito yung jumper natin guys, no? At saka ito naman yung papuntang speak on guys, tong dalawang wire. So sa positive side, at yung isa guys ay sa negative side. So tapos na nating i-wiring guys, no? So i-continuity na natin guys. So ito yung positive at negative dito sa dalawang speaker guys. So titestiran natin guys, no, kung magiging ilang ohms na siya. So ayan guys, nagiging 15.1 na siya. So sa kabila naman guys. So ayan guys, 15.4. So ipaparallel natin tong dalawa guys para magiging 8 ohms siya ulit. So tara guys, wiring muna natin. So yung connection pala nito guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa screen guys para makita nyo yung connection talaga. So tara guys, wiring na natin. So yung connection nito guys, ito na yung parallel guys. So yung wiring nito ay negative to negative, positive to positive. So isasama natin lahat ng negative at isasama rin natin lahat ng positive. So parallel connection. So yan guys, nagsama na lahat ng positive at negative guys, no? So standby muna to guys, no? Susunod nating wiring guys ay yung tweeter naman. So yung positive side nito guys ay lalagyan natin ng capacitor guys. Ayan, 2.2 UF. So lagay natin to sa positive side. So yung negative side ito guys, lagyan natin ng wire. So yung positive guys ay lagay natin dito sa capacitor. So, ganyan yung magiging connection ng aking Twitter, guys. So, yung dulo nito, guys, ay ilalagay natin or ipaparallel natin dito sa dalawang speaker. So, titingnan natin, guys, kung ilang ohms na siya lahat. Gagamitan natin ng tester. So, parallel muna natin, guys. So, ayan, guys, nakaparallel na lahat, no? Yung speaker at Twitter. So, i-check natin, guys, kung ilang ohms na siya. So, ayan guys, 7.6 ohms. Mahigit 8 ohms na rin siya guys, no? Ayan, 7.6, 7.7 yung reading niya. So, yan yung connection natin guys, no? Ng series parallel connection. So, lahat ng to guys, 4 speaker at Twitter, ay magiging 8 ohms pa rin siya. So, yung connection natin guys ay same lang dito. Kaya tara guys, tapusin muna natin tong i-wiring, tapos isa sound check na natin. So tara guys, let's go! So ayun guys, natapos na nating i-wiring at i-mount yung speaker ng ating isang column speaker box, no? So ngayon guys, i-initial sound check muna natin guys, kasi excited na akong marinig yung tunog nito guys ng ating project. So gabi na tayo natapos guys, so ngayon ihinaan ko muna yung volume guys kasi initial sound check lang naman. So tara guys, isa sound check na natin. Let's go! guys, tapos na natin initial sound check, no? So abangan niyo yung false sound check natin ng ating column speaker box. So yung dalawa na yung isa sound check natin guys. So dito ko natatapusin yung video guys. So see you next vlog.